Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to repost videos on Instagram. Firstly, get up and catch up a video which is interesting for you. For example, I will go on this video. Now you need to go on the three dots and go for a copy link. Then you need to go for your browser or the Chrome, and then you need to, I will get up and show again. You'll need to type for Instagram downloader, go for it, and then go for the site which says download Instagram video photos. First selection here, you need to insert the link, go to download. I will need to wait to getting through this file. When that gets to download the full video, it will shows up on me. I can go then on my site. As you can see here, the video is still not downloaded. I need just to wait to get up to that full download, and then I will have the chance to just repost the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon, guys.